This video is to show you how to simplify radicals or square roots by using the TI-84 calculator to find the perfect squares in the radicand. To simplify square roots or radicals, you must find the perfect squares of the radicand. Notice the list of perfect squares. These are the factors that you must find to simplify a square root or radical. The red perfect squares are the primary or critical factors that you look for. The blue perfect squares are the secondary perfect square factors. They are used only if you find more than one or a duplicate of one of the primary perfect squares, the red ones. Let me explain. If a radicand is not divisible by 4, then it cannot be divisible by any of the secondary perfect square factors that are multiples of 4, like 16, 36, 64, etc. Therefore, if a primary perfect square factor does not work, neither can the secondary ones, which are multiples of that primary perfect square factor. Now let's simplify the square root of 18. Type in 18 divided by 4 and press enter. 4.5 is a decimal number. We need whole numbers, therefore 4 is not a factor of 18. Type in 18 divided by 9. Press enter. This gives us 2. Therefore, 9 and 2 are factors of 18. We split the square root of 18 into the factors of 9 and 2. Now the square root of 9 is 3. Our answer is 3 square root of 2. Now let's simplify the square root of 50. Type in 50 divided by 4 and press enter. This gives 12.5. This is a decimal number, therefore 4 is not a factor of 50. Type in 50 divided by 9 and press enter. This gives 5.5 repeating. This is a decimal answer, therefore 9 is not a factor of 50. Type in 50 divided by 25 and press enter. This gives 2. Therefore 25 and 2 are factors of 50. Split the square root of 50 into the square roots of 25 and 2. Now the square root of 25 is 5. Our answer is 5 square root of 2. Now let's simplify the square root of 249. Type in 249 divided by 4 and press enter. This gives 62.25. This is a decimal number. Therefore 4 is not a factor of 249. Type in 249 divided by 9 and press enter. This gives 27.6 repeating. This is a decimal answer, therefore 9 is not a factor of 249. Type in 249 divided by 25 and press enter. This gives 9.96. This is a decimal answer, therefore 25 is not a factor of 249. Type in 249 divided by 49 and press enter. This gives 5.08 and change. This is a decimal number. Therefore 49 is not a factor of 249. Type in 249 divided by 121 and press enter. This gives 2.05 and change. This is a decimal number. Therefore 221 is not a factor of 249. Since the lowest possible non-perfect square factor is 2, we do not need to check any more factors. There are no perfect square factors for 249. Therefore, 245 is already in simplest form. And all I had to check was 5 numbers to confirm this. Now let's simplify the square root of 108. Type in 108 divided by 4 and press enter. This gives 27. This is a whole number. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 108. Type in 27. Divide by 4 and press enter. This gives 6.75. This is the decimal number. Therefore, there is not a second factor of 4 in 108. Type in 27. Divide by 9. And press enter. This gives us 3. Therefore, 9 and 3 are factors of 27. The factors of 108 are 4, 9, and 3. If you notice that 4 times 9 is 36, you could use 36 and 3 as the factors of 108. Follow either set of steps. You will get 6 square root of 3 as your answer. We're done.